Hello, hi, I'm Vanessa.
I'm gonna be better, better than you thought. I promise I won't jealous, you don't deserve it all. I'm gonna be better, better than you thought. I promise I won't jealous, you don't deserve it all.
Yeah, I'm from England, but originally from the Philippines, and I would like to share to you all about my experience here with my smile and with my teeth. So my first experience here more than 6 months ago, I was only recommended to this clinic. The person that I know is recommended me to come here. My experience generally amazing. No pain at all from the start of the treatment. So I had my 4 implants done, as well grafting, some few more procedures, but absolutely no pain. So it's all well recommended. And now this is my second visit here, and I'm so amazed because from the time I get off the car, wow, the place is massive and you can really trust them because it's all brand new, and people are so welcoming. They are really nice and helpful. They explain everything step by step, obviously, and guaranteed you whatever the amount you spend to come here, it will be worth it. From the time that I arrived from the airport to with a luxury car on your own to collect you, and then to the hotel where my first night was, is amazing. They welcome you very well. Absolutely, I can't give any negative comments so far with my experience. And I will see you later on after my Hollywood smile done. Okay. Hi, this is my last day here in Antlara Clinic. This is a really 5-star dental clinic here in Antara. He is fully recommended, 100% 5-star. My journey here is absolutely amazing. From day 1 to today is my day 6, tomorrow is my day 7, and I would like to enjoy myself now because they gave me a great, excellent treatment. From the staff to the actual doctor himself, they're really fantastic. Nothing I would say, it's painless, it's worth it. The money wise, it's good to get out of your comfort zone and have it done to make yourself feel happy with your self-care, with your self-love, with your self-confidence boosting. This really help for you yourself itself. So have it done, you won't regret it. And it's fully recommended. If you need a help or hand for information, you can actually approach me anytime and I will recommend you to them 100%, no doubt. Yeah, don't think twice. It's really worth it 100%. Everything's 100%, even more than 100%. So I'll see you soon and good luck for your treatment. Come to Ontario and come to Antlara itself, well recommended 100%.